Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our video and let's get practice into the another tutorial. So here I am showing you the table I have prepared before and let's just imagine that you have or you become a manager of the courses and your employee has prepared this table to fill the data about the student's name and also their addresses. And let's say that you as the manager request them to do the correction for this table and you require them to add more table between this column B and C. And let's say you're not only require them to add one column, but also let's say five column between the student's name and address in Texas column here. How can we do that? Don't worry because this video will show you how to add the multiple column or also add more multiple rows only in second in the Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Let's say I will start it from the column C here. Let's say I will add only one column. It is actually pretty simple because we can edit manually. Just click insert and there you go. It will add one column here. And let's say if we need to add more column between the column B and C, let's say I will add five column, then I will click this B column and I will click add column and let's say I will try to add you can as you can see the add to section there are two options you can add column or add several column the left of the selection or the right of the selection. Here I will choose the right of the selection and I will add five column after this column B and I will click OK and there you go. There will be added five column after the column B. Or you can also add it with another alternative. Let's say I will add several column between this column H and I will add two column. Then I will drag this column H and I will click, give it the right click of your mouse and I will click insert and there you go. It will add the two column as much as the selected column or as much as the column that you have been dragged. And let's say I will move to the row section. Let's say I will add the row between the Donald and Justin, between the row 6 and row 7. And I will add, let's say I will add 5 again between this column 6 and 7. Then I will click this row 6 and give it a right click and I will click the add rows. Again, this add rows will allow you to choose this option above the selection or below the selection. And let's say I will choose the below selection and I will choose 5 and OK. And there you go. It will show you and or add you the 5 column between the Donald and Justin rows here. And let's say I will also add two column between the Donna and Sarah and I will click this or I will drag these two rows of 13 and 14 and I will give it a right click and add rows. I will drag this color, this rows of 13 and 14 and give it a right click and click insert. And there you go. It will add two rows as much as the rows I have been dragged on. Please don't forget to try it by yourself into your tools and let us know if this trick also worked for you. That's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful. Don't forget to follow or subscribe this channel to know more and watch more another video tutorial. And if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below. I'll see you in another video tutorial and thank you for watching. Bye bye.